Question 25. This regular hexagon has been divided into 4 trapezia. This one here is a trapezium, and 1 hexagon. Oh, this is a hexagon in the middle here because it's got 6 sides. If each of the 5 sections has the same perimeter, what is the ratio of the lengths P, Q, and R? P, this is P here, this is Q here, and R is just the half of that length here. Now, I found that I got myself in knots when I did this in terms of explanation. So therefore, what I'm going to do is just refer you back to the official solutions here. Pause it, read it, work it through. As I say, I can't describe it any better than this.